Hello guys. So today we are going to be talking about the Xlookup. This is basically like a Vlookup 2, a more recent one, and it also solves the limitation of Vlookup. So basically Xlookup can look going to the right and also going to the left, compared to Vlookup that it's only going to the right. So what I'm saying is that let's do Xlookup. Let's tab it. So let's tab it. You can see now that in this Xlookup, we have the lookup value, we have the lookup array, the return array, the if not found, basically if you want to return 0 or not in anything you want to return if that particular value is not found, then the false and true section. So basically in this particular tag now we're trying to look for customer name for this particular transaction. So let's say for example we choose this particular transaction, we're looking for the customer name for that particular transaction. So basically the next thing is going to be our lookup array. Our lookup array is going to be like the root table here. No, it's not going to be the root table. Our lookup array is going to be exactly what we are looking for. So we are using transaction ID to look for customer name. So this is exactly our reference column here. This is our lookup array. Then our return array, this is exactly what we want to return. The customer name, that's exactly what we want to return. Then we can just maybe return NA. Let's just return NA for this one. Yeah, can return NA for that one. Then 0, which is false, an exact match. Then it returns the John Addy immediately. It's easier compared to Vlookup, and it also solves the problem of looking to the left that Vlookup will not allow you to do. So let's take for example this user ID now. So this user ID, if you want to get the customer name for this user ID, using Vlookup is going to give an NA error. So what we're going to do here is going to use Xlookup. So if you use Xlookup, tab it, just like we did the other time. Our lookup value is going to be this particular user ID. Then the lookup array is going to be our user ID here. We highlight it. Then our lookup return array is going to be the customer name. Then we can just keep the not found, the exact match. Then you can see that it returned this for us, which is a very good one. Another limitation that Xlookup helps to solve is this changing of index. So take for example this transaction ID now. We want to get the amount. So this is our return our lookup array. Then we want to get our return array. So our return array will be the amount here, right? Yeah, then we can say 0, which is the exact match. It returns uh, the exact match for us here. So basically it returns the amount. So now take for example this amount now let's say we had another column. You can see now it did not change the value here. Basically if you do VLOOKUP like that, let's say for example, let's come to VLOOKUP and do exactly what we did the other time. You can see the value changed because the index changed. So using Xlookup also help us to solve this. So you don't have to be afraid of changing the index of the changing the index of that particular column.